Alright guys, now I'm here, back for part 2 of the RMS Teutonic tutorial. And for part 2, we'll do the main hull and the ship's propulsion system, which is the rudders and the rudder and the propellers. So, now, you want to add signs to the top of the red, which I've already done that, from 0 to 14 on each section. So, for section 0, you want to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you want to go up 11. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like that. That's the highest point of the ship, or the hull. The highest point of the ship is the masts. So then you want to come to this section here and go 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Make sure that's right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. That's the yellow line, and it's a straight line through the ship. It does not get affected by that. So, section 1. For section 1, you want up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that. Yellow block right there. Now onto section 2 is up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 2 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you want to go up 2, 2, so 1, 2, like that. And then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, and it's down 1. Yeah, that's fine. That's like a little, figurehead kind of thing. Section 3, you want to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And then up 4. 1, 2, 4, 4, and then 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up 3. 1, 2, 3. Then up 2 rows of 2. 1, 2, and then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Section 4. Section 4 is up 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 again, 1, 2, 3, 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 again, 1, 2, 3. So that's 4 rows of 3, up like that. Then up 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3. Then up 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Then section 5 is up 4 rows of 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up 5 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And that should be, I don't think that's right. We go to the prototype. Oh, it's up to. I am flipping retarded, so get rid of that. Get rid of all this. No, wait, that was section. Never mind. Put that back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You want to extend the last two to 4, make it 4. So 3 and 4. It should be, yep, that's okay. So section 6. Section 6, you want up 4 rows of 3 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 rows of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5. 5 is 2. I'm just saying 5 over. Yep, that's right. Check the curve. You can check on the curvature of the bow. Should look pretty good. Like, it should look like that. Section are we on? 8. Nope. Section 7 is up to 1, 2, 3 rows of 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 3 rows of 3. And then 5 rows up, 5 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 1. Like that. I think that's right. Yep, that's fine. So section 8 is up 3 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then 6 rows of 2. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, like that. Then section 9. Section 9 is up 4 rows of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on. Alright, section down 9. So write down section 9 properly. Okay, instead of 4 rows of 2, it's 4 rows of 3. My mistake. 2, 3, 4, like that. Then up 3 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 2 forward, and then 1, 2, like that. Section 10. Section 10 is up. Just making sure. It's up 4 rows of 3. but I have it written down as up 4 rows of 2, which makes no goddamn sense. So up 4 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Then 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, 2 forward, and then you want 2 rows of 3. So 1, 2, like that. And the curve of the bow should look something like that. Section 11 is 2, up 2, up 3 rows of 3, so 1, 2, 3, then up 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, 2 forward, and then 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, like that. Section 12, been recording for almost 12 minutes, is 3 rows of 2, so 1, 2, 3, and then up 2, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, then 2 forward, and then 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, like that. Now onto section 13, everybody's favorite number. So section 13 is up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3, 1, 2, 3, up 4 rows of 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2 forward, 1, 2, and then 3 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. And finally, onto section 14. Well, section 14 is 4 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 9 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. And that's the bow done. So you want to fill it in, do the same on the other side, and I will do a jump cut while I do so. So back in a moment. Okay, back again. So now that's what the bow should look like when it's all filled in, nice and pretty. So pretty good. And fun fact, this is actually the hull of my original SS Britannic, just scaled down a lot. So my opinion, she kind of looks like Britannic from some angles. So now for the stern, the hell, or the good bit, the fast bit, whichever you want to call it. I don't like the like from this angle. This angle, she kind of reminds me of the SS Britannic. So anyway, you want to start from section 14, the edge. I've added the signs to each section of the stern too. So 14, you want 7 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then 5 rows of 6, 4, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 4. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1. And then you want to go in. You want to turn this block into a line of 15. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15. And then 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Then you want 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 2. And then you want 3 single blocks diagonal like that. And you want 1 in. And then 1 and a center block like that. So we move on now to the yellow section. So number 13. Section 13 is 2, 2, 6 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then 4 rows of 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the top here, you want to go 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Basically just trace the top section like this. Like that, right? Kind of like the stone design. Yep, that's fine. I could have used this in for Titanic, this kind of design, but much bigger. But I'm not going to go back to Titanic. I don't want to. So I just want to turn this yellow. Like that. Section 12 now is up to 2 forward, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 3 rows of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you want 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, and then 2 ones like this, and then 1 in, then 2 like that. Now to section 11. Ow. Section 11 is up. You want to go up to 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hang on a second. I believe I have fucked up. It'll be fine. You're gonna go forward 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Yeah, that's how it is. So it's 2, 3. From the outside, it should look fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And then 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? The fuck? Oh. Then you want 5 forward, then 6, then the 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you want to just trace it all the way to the 2. So like this, like this. Right there. And just get rid of the connecting bits. Then you want 1 in, then 2 like that. We got 2 more sections to go, then just smooth sailing for the rest. So section 10, you want to go up 7 rows of 2 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forward. Like that. And then it should be 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then go to the 3. up to the 3 is the same. Like this, and then you want 3 1, so 1, 2, 3, and then 1, like that. For the final section of this hell bit is 9, so you want up 7 rows of 2 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you want to go forward 15, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. What is that, light? That's, oh wait, yeah, that's fine. That should be fine. Whatever, you're not really going to see it. And then go to the 3 again, the row of 3 at the end, so then you want 2 1s, so 1, then 2, then you want 1 in, like that. And then from 8 to 6 is the exact same, so it's 2, and then 6 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you want 8, 7, and 6 is the same, so it's 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then section 5 is 7 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 4 is up 6 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. And then section 3 is up 6 rows of 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's 2 forward. 2. 1, 2. And then 1, 2, and like that. And then 3, 2, 1, and 0 is up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, like that. And that's your stern done. So another jump cut while I do the rest. I fill in the gaps and I will do the other side. So back in. Okay, back again. So now that is both sides of the stern done, and both ends of the ship done, and that is the full length of the ship. So we have reached the 302 block length. So for the final bit, we will do the ship's rudder and we will do the ship's propellers. So we're going to start out with the propellers. So it's on the second section. It's 3 down, second block back, 3, 2, 2. Okay. Go to section 2. go there, I think. Let me get my spyglass. Yep, that's fine. And then, what was it? 3, 2, and 2. And then 2 line of sandstone. Go up 2, and 1. Let's go up 2 and 2. 2, 2. Should be that way. So 2, 1, 2, and 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the propeller blade, like so. Like that. And if you look at pictures of the Teutonic, or that picture of her in, I think, Belfast and Dry Dock, she had these big propellers. So then just connect the propeller shaft to the ship. So like that. Then do the same on the other side. 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If I knew how to add pictures to frame, I would do it. I would show you a picture of the ship's propellers, and you could see that they are enormous. They're kind of big for this little ship. So that's both propellers. So if you know how to do it, let me know. Please let me know in the comments. That's the propellers. Now for the final bit for today, we will add the rudder, and there's 1, 2, 3, 8 hinges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. And for the rudder itself, it's 3, 2, up 2, up. What? Scratch my head. It's like that. Okay, so it's 3, 2, 2, up 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 2. Okay. For the red bit of the rudder, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then up 2, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 and 2, like that. And then for the black, it's just 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. And fill in the rudder, like this. And also there was a kind of hole. If you look at the Titanic, there's a kind of space for the third propeller, but this ship had 2 propellers and that gap, so, but I didn't add it because I couldn't get it right. So now for the deck, what you want to add is you want to add it in line with the yellow bit. So you should have a line of black sticking out. It should be black, deck, then black again. So I don't know how else to explain it. So that is basically part 2 done. So part 3, we will begin the ship's superstructure. So the forecastle, that deck house, and then the 2 deck houses on the stern. We have the B deck right there. Actually, I don't know how the decks were laid out, but I've always A deck, B deck, C deck, E deck, whatever. So that is part 2 done, and this is Nightwing signing off.